Pop culture's latest sensation, the melodious Aria Nightingale, has done it again. She's made headlines, turned heads, and rattled cages. And all it took was one hallucinogenic roller coaster of a song and music video. If you haven't seen it yet, you're in for quite a treat, or a trip, I should say. Remember when Aria was our sweet little songbird, enchanting audiences with her honeyed vocals and innocent lyrics? Those days seem like a distant memory now. Her new single, aptly titled Jurassic Rodeo, is like a fever dream that's escaped into reality, complete with a music video that makes Alice's trip down the rabbit hole seem like a walk in the park. Is she mad, misunderstood, or a master media manipulator?
Isn't it funny how a dash of daring and a splash of the surreal can set the world ablaze? It's almost as entertaining as the song itself, but perhaps that's the point. After all, isn't art supposed to provoke thought, evoke emotion, and push boundaries? Enjoy my music video, folks.
Riding dinosaur, just me and the open sky, kicking up a storm as the world goes by. Hey, 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 I'm now dinosaur seas, we race through the days, under the Jurassic sun scorching rays. Hey, 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 through the prehistoric wild we chase the drill, just some cowboy spirits and a thrill that's real. Riding dinos so crazy as it seems, in this ancient rodeo we're chasing dreams.